Hi, it's Stuart Carter from Howard's Peugeot and Hyundai in Dorchester. Just about to show you a short video on this Peugeot 2008 SUV. This particular one is an Allure with the 1.2 PureTech 110 brake horsepower petrol turbo with the 6-speed HJ66 automatic gearbox. Now this car, it has done just under 13,000 miles and was registered in 2017 on a 66 plate. Now, not only is it rare because it's an automatic petrol, but it's also in emerald green, which we don't get very often at all. So if you'd like to pop down and have a look at the vehicle or have a test drive, we're on London Road in Dorchester, or give one of the team a call on 01305 266 066. And I hope you enjoy the video.